So you're at the beach, and you get the sand between your toes. Feels very, very nice. What's not so nice is sand in your spaghetti and clams. I'll show you how to keep the sand out. Let's check it out. 2 tablespoons of butter, some Prosecco, clams, red chili flakes and oregano, 2 cloves of garlic, a shallot, a lemon, black pepper, olive oil, sea salt, parsley, Parmigiano Reggiano, and the spaghetti.
The sand belongs in your toast, not in your clams.
Let's open this. Put your clams in your pan. Then pour in some Prosecco. You want about half a bottle in here. Give them a little stir up. Put your lid on. After your clams open up, pick them out with some tongs. You want to pick out the ones that are cooked first, just in case you gotta cook some of the other ones a little bit longer. Then pour them through your sieve. That gets all the sand in the bottom. Then you want to start picking out those clams, start sifting through them. And well, you're going to find some in there that haven't opened yet. Like that one. And then set that one aside. You don't want to use it. And if they're sort of open, you can open them up and use them. Next, chop up a shallot. You want to dice that shallot up nicely. Put it in your pan. Pour some olive oil and cover everything. Abundant olive oil. Smash up a couple of cloves of garlic. Remember that little piece on the end I told you about? Get it out of there. You don't want it. Throw those garlic cloves in your pan. Put your pan on the fire. Pour in your chili flakes and your oregano. Zest in some lemon. Heavy sea salt in your pasta water. Oh, look at that. That's cooking nicely. Very nicely, sir. Give it a little stir up. Mix it up really nice. Next, you're going to pour in the liquor. Look at the sand on the bottom. That's the sand that belongs between your toes, not your clams. Pour it in. Pay attention to that sand at the bottom. Once you start getting to that sand right there, watch it. Don't get it in your pan. Look at all the sand left in there. That's how you keep it out of your clams and between your toes. We'll give it a little mix up. Put your spaghetti in your water. Look at that sauce. That's going very nice. At this time, you can take those couple of garlic cloves out. Just pick them out with your tongs. Once your pasta is completely submerged, you want to cook the spaghetti about 4 or 5 minutes until al dente. Then we're going to finish it in our sauce. Put some black pepper in. I like it pretty spicy, so quite a few turns. I'm going to add a little more sea salt. Be careful on the salt, because you got salt in your pasta water. So I'll give it a little taste for salt.
Perfect.
Now that the pasta is al dente, put it in your sauce. Make sure you get all of your spaghetti in there. Don't leave any behind.
put a little bit of the pasta water in with your spaghetti and sauce. Flip it around a little bit. This will start to create a nice cream. Next, add your 2 tablespoons of butter. This will continue to make it creamier, nice and buttery. Add your lemon juice. Flip it around until you completely melt all of your butter. This will continue to make your spaghetti and clams super creamy. Keep flipping until your butter melts. Next, add some Parmesan. Yeah, I know, you're not supposed to put Parmesan in seafood dishes, but this is clams, and we want it creamy. Flip it around some more until your Parmesan is melted. Look at that cream. Oh, there it is. See how creamy that looks? Next, pour in your clams. And your parsley. Then flip it around. Oh, did you see that? Lost one. Flip it around until you get everything mixed up and it warms your clams back up. Now it's done and time to eat. Twist it to plate it. Oh, lost one. There it is. You have to master the twirling method. Look at that. Plate it. Next, put your clams on top. The ones that we left in there for decoration. Get your spoon and get some of the sauce and the other clams that we sorted out. Spoon them on top. Nummy. Look at how delicious that looks.
Keep the sand between your toes and out of your clams. That is amazing.